is a protective meninge on top of the brain. Okay, so the white matter above the lateral ventricle is called the corpus callosum. The white matter below the lateral ventricle is called the fornix. Then this space in here is the lateral ventricle. Do you have the septum pellucidum on the other side? So
do you want the other side?
If you want to bring it over, that's fine.
That was my question. Just because they're all in a bucket, so we don't necessarily know that this half is the other half of that one.
Well, that doesn't matter. It's fine as long as you have seen an example that has a septum pellucidum and a half that doesn't.
Oh, there it is. Okay, got it.
Yeah, ours is like they made a little bit of a.
No, it's fine. If you're going to cut a brain in half, one half will retain the septum pellucidum and the other half won't.
Okay, and this one, that's where it is right
This
there.
worked out. This worked out fine for you because, and if it didn't, I would just tell you to look at other ones in the room because when you come in and study, just grab different ones. Okay, so below the fornix, this is the thalamus right here. This is a kind of a messy looking one. Let's look on this one instead. Right here. Even that, it is not the best looking thalamus. Both of the other two I've looked at so far are more clear. This is the optic chiasm, and so the hypothalamus is like this kind of trapezoidy shape before the thalamus. This is the pineal gland right here.
Oh, okay. We didn't have
So,
okay.
Yeah, yours is, there's only one for a brain, so it got cut off. And then that marks the bottom right here, marks the bottom of the diencephalon right through here. So that means this is midbrain. This is the corpora quadrigemina. And if you pull it like this, you can see the superior and inferior colliculi. And then the other ones would be on this side, superior and inferior colliculi again, so you have 4 bulges. So corpora quadrigemina, and then the front of the midbrain has a bulge. This is actually the center point. See how it wasn't cut down the center? This bulge is the cerebral peduncle. You can actually see the third cranial nerve, the oculomotor cranial nerve right there. And then, of course, this is the pons, and then the medulla oblongata goes to about right here, and then spinal cord after that.
So the pons does not go to the base of the cerebellum.
No, it's just the bulge right here.
Just the one bulge.
And then, so this is the cerebellum, the white matter is arbor vitae, and the gray matter is the folia. Okay, now, here's another way to look at it. I don't really like yours because it did not get cut down the middle at all, so let's try this one. This one's much better, yeah. Okay, so this is the olfactory bulb right here. Then the next major landmark is the optic chiasm. So this optic nerve would go up to this eyeball, and then this one would cross and go up to this eyeball. Then right below that, this is the mammillary body right here. So it's not a lot to look at, but if you know it's below the optic chiasm and above the cerebral peduncle, then you're fine. So olfactory bulb, optic chiasm, mammillary body, cerebral peduncle, pons, medulla oblongata. Olfactory bulb, optic chiasm, mammillary body, cerebral peduncle, pons, medulla oblongata. Okay?
So is it possible to see the nerves?
A few of them. I mean, I just showed you 2 of them.
Right, yeah.
3 of them. I showed you the first 3.
Yeah,
It is, but
the ones that are farther down. We're not going to be responsible for that.
But I don't have time to show the whole